Hey Lawn Journey friends, it's time to get serious. We're going to put some stripes down for Memorial Day. Stick around and let's talk about this Big League striper. Welcome back to Lawn Journey. It's a little windy out here today, so we'll see how this thing turns out. I have a Toro 22 inch. Actually I have two of them, but Santa brought me a lawn striper back in December. This thing probably weighs about 20 pounds. I know a lot of people have these. I'm sure you guys have seen them already. It's time for me to put mine on. I'm going to do an installation. We're going to, save some time and speed through the film and get it on. And we're going to lay some stripes down for Memorial Day weekend. So anyway, the lawn striping kit consists of this roller assembly. Probably weighs about 20 pounds. Very nicely I think it's powder coated, the steel here. It's top flight. It's got these rubber ends on it so you don't cut yourself. All the hardware is already included in the bag that came with it. Is the needed Allen wrenches, the other brackets for assembly. What I really liked, I brought my own Allen wrenches out, but I'm not going to need them, is the instructions that came with it. What I really liked about the instructions was the required hardware listing. Everything you need is in your garage. 1/2 inch socket, 9/16 inch socket, 3/4 inch socket, Phillips head screwdriver, something safely to prop your machine. So I got everything I need. Let's get this thing installed and then we'll give it a whirl. I've installed the mounting brackets. As you can see right here, they are finger loose. Probably could adjust those a little bit more. They need to stay finger loose. This allows them to go up and down as the mower is running. I removed the 1/2 inch bolts from this channel. This is now going to get mounted with these here. Very simple. Let's finish there. The brackets are on. These are finger tight. This bolt slides in this carriage here, so you can position this exactly centered behind it. This is the Big League Lawns Checkmate striping kit. So the next step is to reinstall the wheels, and then we're going to align the striper, and then we're going to put it into position. So as you can see, the striper's installed, and now I need to center it. It's a little bit off to one side, to the left. So we're just going to give it a tap over, and then secure this with the 1/2 inch bolt with the lock washer. As you can see, this moves freely. It'll go up and down the hills as I go over the lawn. Thing's pretty heavy. So just pushing the mower, as you can see, it goes up and down, follows the contour of the grass. Pretty cool. So, all right, so this kit's pretty cool. I like it. I think it really dresses up my Toro recycler. People in the neighborhood are going to be like, hey dude, what's that thing? What's that doing? What are you doing to your mower? So I think it's pretty cool. Looks bad. Looks like it means business. I'm liking it. What I think I'm going to do, and I haven't even used this yet, is because to get it on and off, I would have to remove the rear wheels, which is not that big a deal, but I really don't want to be de-threading this setup right here all the time. I think what I'm going to do is finagle some kind of device that I can tie around this bar itself and either connect it to the mower here and here, or go from here to here. So basically, so I can lift it up off the lawn if there's some kind of mowing or cutting where this roller maybe is interfering with something I want to do when I don't want to lay some stripes down. All right, looking good, looking good. All right, Lawn Journey friends, if you haven't done it already, appreciate a thumbs up or a subscribe. Keep you posted with what's going on in my journey for 2020. Like I said, I'm just going to review this again. This thing is sweet. It's heavy. But now what I want to do is figure out a way where I can pull this up to retract it and maybe tie it to the handle. So if anybody has done that, I would love for you to leave a comment. Let me know where maybe potentially you have a picture. I could use some kind of baling wire, I guess, but it would be nice if I could finagle some kind of bracket, something that I could hook on here and onto there. I don't know. So let me know what you guys come up with. But anyway, this thing looks boss. And what we're going to do now is we're going to time travel. So we are going to go ahead a week in time to Memorial Day weekend. So my plan is this week to do a cut on Thursday. I've hit my lawn with some PGF Complete. It's in the last video. You can link to it here. I'm hoping this thing's gonna be dark green. I hit it with some extra iron. I may do the double dark next treatment yet later this week. And then my plan is after that Thursday cut coming up, the Thursday before Memorial Day, either Saturday or Sunday, weather dependent, I'm breaking this thing out and I'm laying down some stripes. And I'm really excited to, you know, hopefully I get some kind of good response, especially after getting a comment yesterday when I was working in the yard that I have the best, nicest lawn in the neighborhood. So that was really nice to hear some folks that were walking by telling me how they always admire it. So, and that's what this is all about, right? Dominate thy neighbor. We've seen that on YouTube. I guess I need to get one of those t-shirts. Okay, so let's zoom ahead a week and let's lay some stripes out, see what this thing looks like. Okay, first time out with the BigLeauge Lawns Checkmate striper. I have to say, I was pleasantly impressed. Very happy with the result. As you can see here, I have alternating light and dark stripes. Unfortunately, it was not very sunny on the day I took this video, this was done the day before Memorial Day, and it was also overcast most of Memorial Day. So I will be doing a future installment on the Checkmate striper, but I think it's going to be successful. I know a lot of people use them and they're very happy with them. I look forward to continuing to use it, and I am also raising the height of my grass, my blade height. As things start to heat up in the summer, I get up to about 4 inches. I have a feeling the higher I go, the more I'm going to also see of the stripes. Please leave some comments and let me know your experiences with similar stripers. and your grass height. Until next time, get out there and get it done.